This has easily been one of our most loved things that we've added to our backyard this year. The kids get to climb, slide, splash, and run around. So let me show you what's included, what setup looks like, and what our experience has been like using it so far. Inside the box, you get the inflatable water park, blower, ground stakes, repair materials, the water hose setup, plus bonus items like water guns and activities. To get it set up, simply unroll it and lay it flat. But before inflating, make sure the quick release vent is fully closed. Then you can connect the blower and get that turned on. The structure inflates so quickly and starts taking shape almost immediately. Once it's inflated, you can secure both the inflatable and blower using the included stakes. This just helps keep everything stable during play. And then the water hose system is a breeze. It uses matching numbered labels, making it super easy to identify where everything connects. This water park includes a climbing wall, a long slide, splash areas, basketball hoop, and soccer goal, as well as target games and lots of water features and even bonus water guns. The climbing wall helps keep kids active between turns and gives courageous kids somewhere to jump from into the bounce area. And the slide is fast, smooth, and easily became the favorite feature. While the splash zones give kids room to cool off and play with water toys, and the basketball hoop and soccer goal adds more activities when they want a break from sliding and splashing around. The included water guns were also a huge hit as the boys broke out into a big water fight. One thing I really like is that multiple kids can play comfortably at the same time without all waiting for a single activity. And the material of the inflatable does feel really durable and well designed for active backyard use. Now, you may notice a small amount of air escaping from the seams. That's totally normal for inflatable products that use continuous airflow, and it shows up as bubbles when the water is in use. After giving the kids plenty of time to play, I can definitely see why they get so excited about this setup. There's enough variety to keep them moving between activities, and it feels much more like a backyard water park than just a simple inflatable slide. So if you're looking for a super fun summer activity for your kids, this is a really enjoyable option.